Hey guys, this is Owen and welcome back to Owen Travels. Today I'm flying from Manila to Cebu on Sunlight Air, a boutique airline in the Philippines known for its premium feel and leisure-focused routes. This is a 2-hour flight operated by their latest ATR 72-600 Turboprop aircraft, and I was genuinely excited to see how the experience would unfold. I started at NAIA Terminal 2 and right away I noticed some welcome improvements. There are now e-gates installed before security and at the boarding gate, which really helps speed things up. Check-in was smooth. I went straight to the gates of Philippine Airlines because the South Wing it has a lot of people because AirAsia, Royal Air, and also Sunlight Air uses this part of the building. Boarding is at 6:05 in the morning. Now let's talk about bus gate number 12, which is located on the ground floor of NAIA Terminal 2. Going down there honestly felt a bit eerie. The lighting is dimmer, it's quieter, and it's definitely has the back of house airport vibe that most passengers don't usually see. Because two flights were using the same bus gate, the area quickly became crowded, seating is very limited, and so many passengers ended up standing while waiting for a boarding time. Boarding was done by priority, which I appreciate. It shows structure and effort to keep things organized. Once called, we boarded the bus and expected to head straight to the aircraft. But we have to wait for about an hour inside a bus because the aircraft that we're assigned to are currently being serviced. So, to be fair, the ground crew did provide a clear update explaining that delay was due to aircraft servicing, which is always better than being left in the dark. While it wasn't the most comfortable wait, I'd much rather experience a delay for safety and proper servicing than being rushed, right?
Morning po, for the delay po. Right side po, second row window.
Okay.
So ma'am, welcome aboard. Please pull your boarding pass. 7 ma'am, 11. Ito lang po. Hi sir, morning.
Sunlight Air operates the ATR 72-600, which is their latest aircraft, It has a total of 72 seats, all economy class. Seat pitch is about 30 inches and surprisingly comfortable. 18-inch seat width, roomy for a turboprop aircraft. And it's a 2x2 layout. The seats are well padded and do recline, which really helps on a 2-hour flight from Manila to Cebu. They also offer some merchandises and buy on board snacks and drinks. And I'm really looking forward for this flight. I know it's the longest flight. Usually it's a 1 hour hop between Manila and Cebu, but since we're flying the ATR 72-600, so it's quite longer. So let's enjoy this flight.
In emergency evacuation, or you wish to be reseated, please call any of our cabin crew.
We would like to welcome you on board flight 2R853, EDR service bound for Mactan, Cebu. For your flight information, we will be climbing at an altitude of 17,000 feet. Our flight time is approximately 2 hours. And the weather in our destination is reported to be good and has a ground temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. We will update you as soon as we...
Our expected flight time is approximately 2 hours and 10 minutes. We expect to arrive in Cebu at 30 minutes past the hour of 9 in the morning. Thank you for flying with us. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang lipad ng Sunlight Air. Flight 2R853 patungong Cebu. Ang ating
For your flight information, we are cruising at an altitude of 17,000 feet and we are approximately 200 kilometers north of Mactan. And weather en route is reported to be fair. And traffic weather permitting, our estimated arrival time in Mactan is at 15 minutes past the hour of 9 in the morning. I'll check now for your convenience, it's 42 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning. Weather in Mactan.
5 minutes before 9 in the morning, we're already descending towards Mactan Cebu International Airport. Overall, I was really impressed with Sunlight Air. Despite the initial delay, the airline delivered where it matters: service, professionalism, and a relaxed premium feel that's rare on a short domestic flight. Sunlight Air is clearly positioning itself as more than just a way to get from point A to point B. They're more like similar to Bangkok Airways of Thailand. It feels intentional, well branded, and guest focused. And I'm really looking forward to fly with them and hopefully see their network grow in the future. So if you're looking for a boutique flying experience, try to consider Sunlight Air in the future.
International Airport. Welcome to Cebu. Maayong buntag. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Before deplaning, please check the area around your seat and seat pocket to make sure you haven't left any personal belongings behind. Exercise caution obeying. Danes and First Officer Venturina, along with your cabin crew, Kevin and Teo, thank you for flying with us today. We hope you had a smooth and enjoyable flight, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon.
We arrive at 9:15 a.m., around 30 minutes later than our expected arrival time at 8:45 a.m. Disembarkation was smooth once the aircraft parked at a stand, and notably, some passengers remained on board. These were travelers continuing onward to Siargao. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Again, thank you so much. You have a great day wherever you are, and happy holidays.